The snake twist is next, so drop the handles into the well and then find a sticky pad for traction and place it on the footbar. The opposite hand goes to the farther away shoulder block, and then the other hand holds the edge of the carriage. The foot nearer to the footbar steps onto the footbar and the other foot tucks in front of it. The hips come up high into a pike position, and from here we roll through the hips, the waist, the upper back, and then the head, lifting the powerhouse to keep the lower back protected and pull the carriage in from the powerhouse. Again, open and undulate the body, lifting the powerhouse and bring it back home. And from here we can do the twist. We press the carriage out less and twist, looking over the shoulder, lowering the hip towards the mat and drag the carriage home. We can also add on variations where, looking at the hand, we come up and over like a rainbow to the hip and then retrace following the eyes, the hands with the eyes, all the way back to the carriage and home.